18-inch Shoehorn by Comfy Clothiers allows you to easily place your shoes on while standing or sitting. Putting on and taking off your shoes daily can irritate the lower back, hands, and knees, especially if you are recovering from a recent back surgery, hip replacement, or if you suffer from arthritis. The 18-inch Shoehorn by Comfy Clothiers was designed to reduce these daily irritations and give you your confidence back. With its long handle, easy grip, and heavy-duty stainless steel design, you can now put on your shoes while standing, limiting stress on your knees and taking pressure off your back and hands. Made of 100% stainless steel and polished for comfort, this 18-inch Shoehorn by Comfy Clothiers is twice as thick, 2 millimeters thick versus 1 millimeter thick on average, and more durable than many of the competing shoehorns on the market. This shoehorn also has an average thickness weight of 200 grams versus other products, which average around 120 grams. Why is this feature important to you? It's important because it means our shoehorn won't bend, break, or let you down when you need it most. In addition to its superior durability, this shoehorn is designed for easy storage in your home or vehicle.